Hello. Yeah, why are you using PLD?
I just on. I just on that. So you saw me just on it when you were working.
Okay. Chloe, she not here, you were here, you also never do. And part A, I go through already. At class, you just sleep. Mentally. Then, for sure. Never come. Also, never try. Okay. Hello, same. When I talk, listen first. Later when you all do, you all talk. Or else like 唱药 like that. Okay. This one, last lesson, I help you all get started already. 3 minus b and b minus 3. So you have to change the sign. Hello. Do I have to move you again? So to change the sign, b minus 3, I factorize out a negative. Then the negative will have the effect of changing the plus to minus. Okay? If you need another line to see why it happened, what actually happened is I factorize out a negative sign, then it becomes 3 minus b, and 3 minus b having a negative sign is the same as the negative sign is on top, below is positive. It is also the same as negative put beside, and then both the top and bottom I write as positive. So now I'm using this one. Okay? So what actually happened? 3 minus b plus negative of 11, 3 minus b. Okay? After I factorize out a negative, the negative is beside. So adding a negative fraction. When I'm adding anything negative, it becomes minus. Plus become subtract. Hello. Okay? Then this one change sign, this one will change sign. Then their denominator is exactly the same. I can put them together. Then simplify 4 minus 11, negative 7. Okay? Okay, later let Chang Yao finish first. How done? Okay. Then this answer is you will get your full marks. But because there is a negative sign, if I don't like to have negative sign in my answer, negative 7, I can change sign again. 3 minus b, I change sign again. I factorize out a negative, become b minus 3. Then, once I factorize out the negative, 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 they can cancel each other. then I will have a positive answer. 7 over b minus 3. Huh? Not necessary. This one you will get your full marks. This one you will also get your full marks. But this one is to show that you are able to change sign lor. Okay? You can change the first one also from the beginning. Can. Yeah. Okay. You can also change the very first step. 3 minus b. Instead of changing b minus 3 to 3 minus b, from the first step I change 3 minus b to b minus 3. Also can. Then you will straight away get the positive side of the answer. Okay? If you change the first one first, you will get this one. But same one. You can get either one, it is also okay. Okay? Part C. So first thing, I put my bracket first. Then I see the denominator also. C minus 1. 1 minus c. To make them exactly the same, I need to change the sign. Okay? I want to change 1 minus c to c minus 1. So I will factorize out a negative sign, and the negative sign will change my plus into minus. After that, common denominator, 7 minus 5c. Answer. Okay? Just now, those of you who mentioned you change the front one, if I change the front, let me write in another color. I can also change the front. Then I will have 1 minus c. I factorize out a negative. So the first part become negative 7. Okay? Then my second one never changed, so it is still plus 5c over 1 minus c. Huh? Change color to show that it's an alternate answer. Then my minus take out already. My minus can put below, can put on top, can put beside. So for this one, I will want to put my minus on top, because I want the bottom to be exactly the same. Okay? Then once the bottom is exactly the same, I can put negative 7 plus 5c or 5c minus 7 over 1 minus c. Either answer will also give you full marks. It is actually no difference one. Okay? Can? Okay, here I go a bit faster. Those who haven't do your homework, cannot finish copying one, go back, refer to the video. Okay? Okay, same, bracket. Then this one, I must also realize minus d become plus d, plus 2 become minus 2. So I will want to change one of them, the sign. So I will rather change behind. But this one I can write as positive 2 minus d. Okay? So when I'm changing behind, become 2 minus d, 11d. I take out a minus, and this minus will change my minus in between to become plus. Okay? Answer. Or you can put your 11d in front also can. Okay? So I told you last lesson, this question 3 is all making use of changing sign. 7 never get negative.
God, you right. See?
The blue color one is an alternative solution. If I don't change the back to c minus 1, I change the front c minus 1 to 1 minus c. Then I factorize out a negative from the denominator. This time I take from the front. Then this negative, I can put below, I can put beside, I can put at the top, all the same. So instead, so this one complete already. This is one solution. This one is the alternative. If I don't change the behind to look like the front, I can change the front to look like behind. Then the minus will give to the numerator. That's why become minus 7. Can? Okay? Good question. Means you got pay attention. Okay. Minus 3x plus 4y. Minus become plus, plus become minus, then the same already. So I can change either one. Okay? Why? Okay? So let's say I change the front. Then I will factorize out a negative. The negative I can put beside, I can put below, I can put on top. So I put on top. Then I am adding 3x minus 4y also, the denominator. I just put my x in front, becomes 3x minus 4y. This one I take out a minus sign and then put the minus sign on top. It also becomes 3x minus 4y. Then negative 2x plus 5x is the same as 5x minus 2x, so I have 3x. Answer. Logan. The PLD name itself is already bluff people one. Where got student use PLD to learn? Okay, Ken? We go to part F. Huh? Pause. Wow. Our Monday lesson always, the assembly already eat a bit into our lesson. Why? Homework good, right? So fun to practice math. The sense of achievement when you get the answer. Oh. Better than playing volleyball. Don't have it? If I can choose to play volleyball or do math, not yet. If I can choose to play volleyball or do math, I will be doing math.
Can we play with your boy? Volleyball.
Done? Go ISH do math? Oh. Okay, same one. My step is always to bracket first. Then after that I see. Inside the bracket, almost the same. Again, it is I need to change the minus sign. So, you change the front, change the back also can. This time I change the back. Exactly the same already. Then, I need to change the minus to plus because I put the minus sign beside. Minus become positive. So once you get the same trick, you find that all these questions follow the same pattern. So a lot of mathematics questions all the same one. You spot the pattern, then you practice. Then next time you see a similar question or you know the trick that they want you to use. Can? Done. No? Kick Chang Yao out of the class? Why? He said kick you out of the class. Done? Okay, let us move on. Okay, next question is more difficult. But you must already have the same idea in mind. I am, hello. Hello, listen. You must have the same idea in mind. Yixing. I am adding two fractions. When I'm adding fraction, I want common denominator. Once I can make common denominator, I can add them together. Okay? Then, the whole of question 4, they want you to make use of a special identity. Okay? The special identity is this one. Whenever you all see a perfect square or something square minus something square, you must be thinking about a special identity. Okay? This trick usually comes at the difficult questions. Okay? So this one, you must know that it is actually can be factorized to a plus b, a minus b. Okay? This is the only one that is a bit more special. You see difference in squares, you must be thinking this factorization. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b, a minus b. Okay? So that one will come in here. X square minus 9. Okay? So one more clue. Hello. One more clue that they give us is the x plus 3. Then I must be thinking, I want to make this side also something x plus 3. Then, the number one thing I will do, after I bracket them, is, I know it must be something to do with x plus 3. Then, my 9 can be written as 3 square. 9 is 3 square. So you have to know some of your perfect square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9, I must go and change it to 3 square. Then once is a difference in squares, I can write it as front plus back, bracket, another bracket, front minus back. Okay? The entire this question 4 is all using this trick also. Then once I have factorized this already, then I compare the denominator. How can I make the denominator the same? The front one got x plus 3, the back one got x plus 3. So the front one is missing this bracket. So once I multiply this bracket, they become the same already. X plus 3, x minus 3. The other one also x plus 3, x minus 3. Then the front numerator times my x minus 3 also. Then plus this 3. Same denominator, put them together. 2 times of x minus 3 plus 3. Remember, don't expand. After I combine them, then I do my expansion. Logan!
Yes, sir.
My math lesson got make you so happy, meh? You laugh so loud.
Yeah, because he loves math so much. You gave him extra homework.
Okay. But must be fair, ma. Give him, must give everyone, ma.
No, but when he extra like.
Okay? It may look like I write a lot of steps, but it's okay. I write more steps, but I ensure I don't make mistake. Zoom out. Okay, same I talk too long already. Your time to practice. Then I help you get started. Okay, for part B, 36 can be written as 6 square. So it's a difference in squares. So you can use your red color, that one, the identity. Then for part C, 9x squared can be written as 3x whole thing square minus 2 square. Okay? 9 is the square of 3. So I can write it as 3. Then x is 3x. I put them together, the whole thing is being squared. So it also is front square minus back square. Then I can use this identity. Then for part D, try yourself. It's all using the same trick. B finished already. You finished already so fast. I haven't finished. Like that is to help you get started. To help you see 36 is 6 square. Then a difference in squares, so you have to use this one to go and factorize. Then after factorize, then you make common denominator. Try. Done. Huh? Damn hard. Your big picture must be there. I am adding or subtracting fraction. Then I must make common denominator. Okay? Then you will go and think, oh, how can I make common denominator? Then once I make common denominator, I combine them. Then after I combine them, then I do my opening bracket, I do my simplification. The big picture, the flow of the steps is always the same. Come, follow. Listen when I talking, you listen, then I'm helping you already, right? Why? Huh? Yes. Okay, those who are done can double check. I have a difference in square. Something square minus something square. So I can write it as the front plus the back. The front minus the back. Okay? Then I will make common denominator. After that, I combine them together. Then here, remember, don't expand. Write them together. After you write them together, then you do your expansion. Okay? I can look at it and see 5. Negative 2 times positive x minus positive, so minus. I can look at it, negative 2 times positive 6. Negative, positive, negative. Then simplify. Negative 2x. 5 minus 12, so still have minus 7. Hello, hello, hey. Why? You handsome people look at you is normal what? Then you must get used to it. If you're handsome, people will look at you one. You know why I know? Okay. Next question also same. The front square minus the back square. So I can factorize it into a bracket. Front plus back. Front minus back. Then to make common denominator, I multiply. What is missing? What is missing? Then I put them together. 5x minus 3 multiply the bracket that was missing. Okay? Then again, don't expand, don't expand, don't expand. Write together. Then as you see the minus, think to yourself, that is the trap. They want you to make mistake there, then you will be extra careful. Minus 3 times positive 3x. Negative. Positive times negative, so negative. Negative 3 times positive 2. Negative times positive, so negative. Huh? I cannot hear you. But you sound like you complaining. 5x minus 9x, negative 4x. Minus another 6. Okay? Answer. Part D. 4 is the same as 2 square. X square is x after square. So I can write the front as 2x being squared minus y square. Okay? Then again, it's a difference in squares. Something square minus something square. So, I can use my identity. Front plus back. Front minus back. So the front plus back same as the behind already. Now I only need to multiply by 2x minus y. 2x minus y. Same denominator. So I can put them together into one fraction. First numerator plus second numerator. Okay? This time everything is plus. So, more easy. 2y plus 6x. 2y minus 3y. Six x minus y. Answer. Money can or not? Can For sure. Go back, complete. Okay? I want to go to question 5. Do what?
Yes.
Yes lah. Yeah lah. You must reach here lah. You must reach this answer.
So you triple check and triple check.
Yeah. Okay? Okay. I do wrongly 3 times 2x is not 6x meh? See? Your careless mistake come out already. Oh. Go. No. Wait, one more. Wait, see this one first. Hey, how we start? We add the bracket. After you add the bracket, what is the difference? Bracket being square. This bracket being square means it is x plus 4 multiplied by itself. It is the whole bracket is being square. So now my first denominator only got bracket by itself. The second denominator got the bracket multiply the same bracket. So to make them exactly the same, I need to multiply the exact same bracket to the front. Then I also need to multiply the same bracket to the numerator. No, after this. Okay? So now I multiply it by itself, they will become the same denominator. Okay? Once they become the same denominator, same. Combine them together. Don't expand. And then after that, do my expansion. Then simplify. Answer. Okay? So question 5 is not difficult also. They just want you to know that the bracket being square is the bracket multiplied by itself. Okay? Can? Okay. Those who need to go toilet, refill water one. Hey, all go together one y'all. Be back by 10:11. Don't need to go one, can try B, C, D. B, C, D, correct. Try. Math actually not difficult one. Break it down into easier steps. 10:11. Okay. Oh yeah. Quick. Hey, I will leave part B for y'all to do. I want y'all to look at part C. Okay? Part C, you see the front is x plus 5. The back got a big string of things. Okay? X squared plus 10x plus 25. Actually, you all have learned to factorize a quadratic expression in Sec 2. Okay, remember you need to do your cross method or the grid one, where you all go and fill in x squared 25 over here. Then you need to go and fit in numbers. Or the other one, I don't know, your teacher teach you which one? X squared plus 25 plus 10 over here. Okay? Either one that you all learn. Either method, you have to go and guess the number. Okay? So this one is actually, they give you the clue. You know you have to factorize to something like this. So you can straight away put x plus 5 as one of them. Okay? Then that will give you the backward to go. What should this one be? X times x to get x squared. 5 times 5 to give me 25. Okay? Then even I cross plus 5x plus 5x. Okay? X plus 5. This one will give me my plus 5. Okay? So for this one, it is just nice. It is x plus 5 square. Okay? So I will have x plus 5 square. Then after that, you can continue with what you have been doing for part A and part B. Listen or not? Okay? It may not be x plus 5 one, but it will always follow this pattern. You use this x plus 5 to help you with the factorization. Unless you are using your calculator. But don't need to use calculator. Also can one. Like this one, part D. I know that I need to factorize this first. But to factorize this, I know that x minus 2 can help me. Okay? So when I'm doing my factorization, x squared plus 10, if more of you all are using this one, then the x minus 2 is the clue for me. I will put my x minus 2. Then I think x must multiply x. Then minus 2 must multiply what to get positive 10? Minus 2 must multiply negative 5. Then it will become positive 10. Okay? Then I double check your cross. Then we'll have minus 5x. Then here here is minus 2x. Here is minus 5x. Then correct, minus 7x. So I know that I can factorize into x minus 2 and x minus 5. Okay? So this one is the clue for you how to factorize this side. I definitely need to factorize because I want to make common denominator. Okay? So this one is the clue to help me factorize. Yes. Explain everything again. Okay, I explain with part E. Explain same question. Okay, when I'm looking at this question, I always start by, this is a fraction plus a fraction. So I go and bracket my denominator together. Then I must be thinking, I want to add fraction, I need common denominator. But now they don't look common at all. Hello? So I must be thinking, I need to factorize this. This can be factorized into bracket times bracket. So I want to factorize this into a bracket, multiply another bracket. Inside the bracket we'll have x plus or minus something, x plus or minus something. Okay? Then how do I factorize this? I need to go to my grid or go to my cross method. Then I put in my x squared, my plus 10, my minus 7x. Then I must go and figure out what are the things inside the brackets. Okay? But I don't need to go and guess all the numbers. I can use these factors. This is already in the bracket x minus 2. They will want you to have x minus 2, 1. Okay? Usually, they won't be so cruel to give you totally different. So you can try this first. X minus 2 put here. Then it will help you figure out what is the other bracket. So x times what give me x squared? X times x. Minus 2 times what gives me positive 10? Minus must times minus. 2 must times 5. Okay? Then when I double check, here is minus 2x, here is minus 5x. Add together are correct, minus 7x. Okay? Then I can factorize this into x minus 2 and x minus 5. Then I can make common denominator by multiplying x minus 5. X minus 5. Can? Okay? Okay, part E. You all want to try factorize yourself? Dancing?
Who is dancing?
Logan. Logan is dance CCA one. No. Okay. For part E, I will prefer to change the sign from 5 minus x to x minus 5 first. Okay? I factorize out a minus first. Then later when I factorize this will be easier. Okay? Because it's easier to work with positive x. So I factorize out a negative and change this to minus. After that, when I factorize, I know I factorize out x minus 5. I will have 2x plus 1. Okay? Yeah, this question is harder. This one is considered the harder questions. Yes, it's recorded. You can